Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Edu-Care. In this lecture we will discuss about difference of sets. So what is difference of sets and how we can find difference between two sets. So suppose there are two sets given A and B. So difference of set A and set B is written as A minus B, and it is set of all those elements which are elements of set A but does not contain elements of set B. So we can simply say that A minus B equal to set A elements minus set B elements. So we only remove which are set B elements. So we can write A minus A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B gives the common elements between set A and set B. So this will give A minus B. Okay. So A minus B equal to x such that x is an element of A and x is not an element of B, or A minus B equal to x is an element of A such that x is not an element of B. So if x is an element of set A minus B, then we can say that x will be an element of A but it will not be an element of B. Or if it is given that x is an element of A and x is not an element of B, then we can say that x is an element of A minus B. Okay. So how we represent this on Venn diagram? So this is our universal set, that is this rectangular box, and two sets, set A and set B, are these two circles. Okay, and this green shaded part represent your A minus B. Okay, so clearly you can see this is whole A set minus the intersection part, that is only green shaded area. So this green shaded area represent A minus B. So if we have to show B minus A, how we can represent it? So suppose B minus A, so B minus A will contain all elements of B except those which are also element of set A. Okay. So if we represent on Venn diagram, this is our rectangular universal set. Okay. And set A and set B are these two circles, and green shaded portion represents your B minus A, that is whole B set minus the common portion. Okay, this is our common portion, so we have to remove this one. Okay, now we will solve some problems. So two sets are given here, set A and set B, and its elements are given, and we have to find A minus B and B minus A. So how we can find? So one method is we have to directly subtract A minus B. So all those elements of A minus all the elements of set B, okay, which are in set A. So we will see. So now we can consider set A. So 2 is not a part of set B. So A minus B will include 2. Next element of A is 3. But you can see it is a part of B. So we have to remove this. So we will not consider in A minus B. Next element is 4, which is not a part of set B. So A minus B will contain 4. Next element is 5, but it is also in B. So we will not consider this element. Next element is 6, which is not a part of set B. So 6 will be element of A minus B. Next element is 7, which is a part of B also. So it will be 2, 4, 6 only. Okay. Or by another method, what we can do, first we have to find A. So we can find A minus B by A minus A intersection B. Okay. So we can find A intersection B and subtract it from A. So we can write elements of set A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. and from this we have to subtract elements of A intersection B. So for that we have to find A intersection B. So if you see 3, 5 and 7, these are common elements, so A intersection B will be 3, 5 and 7. So from A we have to remove 3, 5, 7. So directly we can write 2, 4 and 6. Okay. Now you can check this and these are same. So whatever method suits you, you can follow that method. Second, we have to find B minus A. Okay, so B minus A. Now we have to consider elements of set B which should not contain element of set A. So you can see 3, but 3 is a part of A also. So we will not consider that. 5 is also a part of set A and 7 is also a part of set A. So remaining elements are 9, 11 and 13. 9, 11 and 13. Okay. We will discuss one more problem. See, in this problem, four sets are given A, B, C, and D, and we have to find A minus B, A minus C, and B minus D. So, how we can find that? So, for A minus B, we have to consider all those elements of A which do not contain element of set B. So, one by one we will solve. So, A minus B, it will be equal to A minus B. So 3 is not a part of set B. So we can write 3. Then 6 is also not a part of set B. 12 is part of set B. So this will not be included in A minus B. Then 15 is not a part of set B. 18 is also not a part of set B. And 21 is also not a part of set B. So we have calculated A minus B. Next, we have to find A minus C. So A minus C, okay, now we have to find all those elements of set A which should not contain elements of set C. Okay, so you can see set C contains all even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Up to 16 all even numbers. So from set A we have to remove the even numbers up to 18. Up to 16 only. Okay, so 3, 15, then 18 is even but it is not contained in C, so we will include that. 3, 15, 18 and 21. So this is A minus C. Next, question number 3, we have to find B minus D, that is all those elements of B except those which are elements of D also. Okay, so B minus D equal to, see, D elements are multiple of 5, okay, up to 20. So we have to remove multiple of 5 from set B. So 4, 8, 12, 16. 20 is a multiple of 5, so we will remove that. Okay, see here, it is contained in D also. So 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed about difference of sets, and we have also discussed how we can represent difference of sets on a Venn diagram. Okay, friends. Thank you.